你好，我係將嗰個 Inspiration Learning Centre 數學科老師 Mr. Nelson， 今日想同大家講一啲關於一啲中一課程嘅題目嘅。咁呢個係 percentage 類型嘅題目啦。我哋睇題目先。A shop owner bought 50 keyboards at $250 each. If he sells 40 keyboards at $300 each and the others at $200 each, find the profit percent。咁就睇翻條式先啦。Profit percent 咧就會等於翻 profit 除個 cost price， 跟住乘1% 嘅。咁 profit 喺呢度情況就係個 selling price 減個 cost price。咁睇翻題目嘅情況啦，我哋知道佢將40個 keyboard 就每一個賣300蚊啦，咁剩翻嗰啲咧就每一個賣200蚊嘅，咁我就列翻300乘40，再加翻200乘以50減40，就會得到個 selling price。咁再減翻個 cost price 就係250蚊一個乘翻50。再除翻個 cost price， 亦都係250乘翻50嘅，跟住再乘100%啦，咁你就得出1500 over 12500乘100%，咁最終得到12%，所以個 profit percent 就係12% 啦。